Ravinder Bhogal. I'm a chef, journalist, and restaurateur. It was my grandfather who made me fall in love with food and cookery and feeding people. In Sikhism, you have something called seva, which is service, and he said the easiest way to do service was to feed people, and that stayed with me. It's strange because you grow up and you do your education and everything, and yet it's the things that are said to you when you're 5 years old that really inspire you. For me, I think beauty is contentment. Imperfections, gray hair, all of that, to celebrate that is a beautiful thing. I think, your destiny, your calling, or what you're supposed to be doing eventually finds you in sometimes the strangest ways. In my gut, I always knew that the thing that made me happiest was when I was cooking for people. I absolutely love it. I wouldn't do anything else.